Here we have 2001 4 Lowline. Has a sports exhaust, mesh grille, badge bar, spotlights, 4-width bumpers, side lights, Union Jack badges, extra wing treads, paint protective film, heated spinners, stainless steel bulkhead and balances. It's a focused engine 1800 4x4. Fold and reclining seats, elbow rail protectors, hood swivel pins, Mohair roof, Walnut Dashboard, offset Moto-lita steering wheel, door check straps, cross member covers, Trinket tray with cup holder no less, wooden gear knob, organ pedal. Genuine reason for a reluctant sale. We sold the car about 12 to 18 months ago. Good service history, originally supplied by us as well. And very nice driving 4 Lowline. Thank you for viewing. You can be contacted on 01234 750 205.